Hey guys, so this is a completely different setup than normal, but I'm actually in the kitchen because I was going to try and do some of the Poppin' Kitchen, Happy Kitchen, Crazy candy kits, what have you, that involve the microwave. So I figured this would be a lot more easier than trying to do them upstairs and then having to go back and forth and everything else. But the first one we've got is this one, which is the little Panda Pancake. Here are the directions. So let's just get this going. Scissors are important. Okay, we can rip that, just don't tear the directions, let's see. Not that you can read the directions, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so we've got the little tray. We've got 2. 1. The little, whatever it's called. The happy little panda face. Spoon. Yeah, I can't really make my camera go any further down. Oh well. I'm gonna make this work. Okay. So first off, you get cut this little guy off. How do you cut the other one in half? Does not say. Basically, it's got a 1 in the tray and a 2 in the tray. So you put 1. Into tray 1. And you put 1 scoop of water. Probably should have thought of that beforehand, but that's fine. Hello, water. In there. Leave that sitting in there. We mix it all up. Oh, and then you make a mess. Oh, continue to make a mess. Okay, I'm gonna get this mixed and then I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so we've got it mixed. There we go. So apparently what we do is we put it into, this is going to be interesting. Put it in there. Get it down to the bottom. Do like that. I don't know why I can't seem to get this camera to look, but oh well. Then what we do, oh, we make a mess. That's also 2. See if I can fix this slight mess I made. We're just going to cover, make his mouth. Make his little nose. Maybe give him some little hair. Why not? And there we go with that one. Then we take 2. Put 2 into tray 2. We put 2 scoops full of water. One, 2. Then, like before, I'm gonna mix it and I'll be right back, guys, okay? Then we're back and it looks like that. And then I guess what we're supposed to do, Panda, is drop it on top. Oop. Oop, I so messed up the face already. It's okay. Okay, and then we take our probably very sad panda and we put it in the microwave. It says a 600-watt microwave for 40 seconds. I'm pretty sure you're significantly higher than that. Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to stick you in the microwave. Once again, guys, I will be right back. Okay, guys, and he is out of the microwave. I actually did have to do it for 40 seconds, so I guess, I don't know what my watt is, but 40 seconds worked. So, anyways, here's the guy. Then you just peel. Actually, that's peeling really easy. And there you go. So this is my sad, sad, sad panda. Yeah, I'm not very good at these. But anyways, let's give sad panda a taste. He tastes fine. I mean, it's just basically like a little cake. And it's vanilla and it's chocolate, and you can definitely taste them both. So, it's not anything special, but it's fine. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna finagle this camera for the next one and hopefully make it so I can show it to you guys better, but it's kind of hard to work doing it on the oven with the tripod and trying to angle the camera down, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video for what it's worth, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.